What's going on YouTube? Today's been a great day. I'm gonna teach you how to make stuffed jalapenos the correct way. People have been doing it wrong, and not wrong. I mean, there's no right or wrong way, but this is the best way I found out. So first thing is how to make this incision right here. See, that's the first thing you need to learn. So the ingredients we need, that's gonna be, you're gonna need toothpicks, right? It has to be the the wood kind, okay? We need a wooden toothpick. We need jalapenos, green, okay? We need cream cheese, okay? And I'm making pizza also. And we're gonna need some bacon, all right? I like getting it cut by the butcher, and that's the best, my opinion, the best way. So right now we're gonna make 4 of them, okay? First, we're gonna make an incision right here. We're gonna cut it from here to here, not all the way through, right? Just the top, from here to here. Same thing here, and then side to side, right? So we're gonna make, it's gonna end up being a square like this, right? The reason why you're doing a square is because we're gonna fill it in the middle. Usually what people do is they'll cut it, right, in half or something, and then they'll try to paste them together. Like this, you fill it in, and then it legit just sticks in there, like, you know, perfectly. So we're gonna do that. All right. I don't like it with the seeds inside. I think it's too hot. You could do it however you like. If you want to leave the seeds in it, you could leave the seeds in it. I just think it just makes it too hot, for my opinion. Okay, you just cut it. My wife is calling me right now. She needs me, but YouTube needs me too. So after you cut it, you just legit just lift it up. Boom, okay. Then you see this part right here, I usually cut the white part. I cut it, or the seeds fall out. And then the inside, the same thing, I cut it like this sideways. And I cut here in the middle. And then usually the stem will come out after you cut like that. I don't like I said, I don't like it with the stem in. If you really like your stuff really hot, you know, you could do it, but I don't. So sometimes you gotta, you know, play with it a little bit until it comes off completely. This one has been a mess, but you get the idea, right? Boom, take it out. After this, I usually wash it so I could take the rest of the seeds out. Okay, and that's how you cut it. Now I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. So after you get that, you need a spoon also. So you get the cream cheese, right? The cream cheese, you open it, grab a spoon, and you just stuff it in there. See? The reason why I said it's better like that is because you can put more in there. And the more you put, the better it tastes. And like this, it doesn't make a mess. So now what you do is you grab that little top that I told you to cut, and you put it right on top. See how it looks? It's beautiful. That's a beautiful stuffed jalapeno. So now, this is the good part. This is the part that I like. Grab the bacon. Sometimes it takes 2, sometimes it takes 1, so however you want to do it. Today I'm just gonna use 1. So you grab the bacon, you wrap it around, and sometimes it takes 2 toothpicks or 1, doesn't really matter, whatever. So then you grab the toothpick, and you stick it right in. That's it. That's your stuffed jalapenos. It's not gonna be a complete video. I'm not gonna show you how to cook it. I usually cook it until the bacon is done. Once the bacon is done, basically everything's done. So I don't know, it usually takes 10 to 15 minutes, depending on, like, you know, I put my oven on bake for 350. Right now I have it at 400 because I'm making a pizza, so I'm just going to throw it in there, and then hopefully it comes out better or good. But it's usually 350 for about 10-15 minutes. Just look at the bacon. When the bacon is done, take it out, let it sit for a little bit, like 2 minutes, and then eat it. But that's how you do it. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.